Welcome to Savi YouTube channel Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to present on conditional joint probabilities. Let us consider two random variables x and y. Let B be the conditional event. The event B is a set of bivariate observations x, y in the xy plane of the probability density function between the random variables x and y. So this figure shows an event B which is in the xy plane of the joint random variables x and y. The probability of this event B can be evaluated from the joint probability density function fxy of x, y. That is, the probability of event B is given by probability of B equal to is a double integral of the probability density function between the random variables x and y. Now let us define what is the joint cumulative distribution function and what is the joint probability density function of the conditioned random variables x and y. Now let us consider the first topic, that is the joint CDF conditioned by an event B. The joint CDF conditioned by an event B, it is indicated as capital letter F with suffix capital X capital Y within the parenthesis x, y slash B, so which is equal to the joint CDF conditioned by an event B. It is a ratio of joint probability of the three events, that is x, y and conditional event B, and the probability of the conditional event B. After knowing the joint CDF, now we can able to define what is joint PDF conditioned by an event B. The joint PDF conditioned by an event B, so it is mathematically defined as it is the second order partial derivative of the joint CDF between the random variables x and y conditioned by an event B. Now by using the conditional joint PDF, now we can able to define the relationship between the conditional joint PDF and the joint PDF between the random variables x and y. That is, the conditional joint PDF conditioned by an event B, so which is always equal to it is a joint PDF of random variables x and y to that of the probability of the event B, where the probability of event B it is given by the integral of the joint PDF under the limits of the conditional event B, and it is 0 otherwise. Now using variable y, let us consider the conditional PDF of random variable y conditioned by an event B, so which is always given by the integral over the entire event B of the joint PDF of random variables x and y to that of the probability of the B. If the region B is exactly equal to, that is x equal to x, then B becomes equal to x. Then we can write the conditional PDF of random variable y as fy of y slash x. Then we can able to define two conditional PDFs, that is the conditional PDF of random variable y and the conditional PDF of random variable x. Now the conditional PDF of random variable y under the given condition x, it is defined as it is a ratio of the joint PDF to that of the PDF of the random variable x. Similarly, the conditional PDF of random variable x, it is defined as it is a ratio of the PDF of the random variables x and y, that is a joint PDF, to that of the PDF of the random variable y. Now let us consider the conditional PDF of random variable y as equation number 1 and the conditional PDF of random variable x as equation number 2. Now, so if you compare the equation number 1 and equation number 2, then we are going to get one important relationship between the conditional PDFs fy of y bar x and fx of x bar y, and the relationship between the individual PDFs of random variable x and random variable y. So that is fy of y bar x into fx of x equal to fx of x bar y into fy of y. So this equation is known as the Bayes theorem for probability theory, so which relates the conditional PDFs with the PDFs of random variable x and random variable y. Note, if one more important case here it is, suppose if x and y are independent random variables, in that case the joint PDF between the random variables x and y becomes equal to the product of the PDF of random variable x and the PDF of random variable y. And the conditional PDFs fy of y bar x becomes equal to the PDF of random variable y, because here y and x becomes independent, so the density function, it is independent of the conditional event x. Similarly, if x and y are independent, we can able to obtain one more standard equation, that is the conditional PDF of random variable x under the given condition y, it is always equal to the PDF of random variable x.